Mullen ran over 25% yesterday. I'm so sorry I didn't make an update video for you in the afternoon. I got very busy, but here is the video today. And we're going to be looking at the latest news that Mullen put out. Also, people are calling $60 for Mullen stock. And I'm going to give you my opinion on that. So stay tuned for that. Drop a like. Would always appreciate that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to grab your coffee. I forgot mine, but grab yours. Get right into this video. Of course, is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. It's all based on my own opinion. And yesterday, Mullen dropped two pieces of news. One for delivering vehicles to Randy Marion, which we were all expecting. And the second piece of news is they hired Mark Basil. Now, the market liked this news, okay? And we ran, from the lows, let's just say a couple days, the lows of 14.46 all the way to about 21 cents, okay? And we hit the 236 level. Gotta figure out when is it going to start trading normal again, because right now it's doing a little pullback trend, 1963 down 5% on the day, but we also rallied 25% yesterday, so this is expected. I'm not too concerned right now. I still have my first price target that I would be looking for around 28 cents, and then my second one around 31 to 32 cents. Don't forget, we have the meeting on December 15th, which is 10 days from today. Today's December 5th, but we only have about 9 trading days left. So the question that everyone wants to know the answer to is, will Mullen get to $1 before the meeting? Or another thing is, are they going to take away the third reverse stock split? Because if they take away the third reverse stock split, could we push over $1 by the 22nd? Who knows, right? So again, I believe they're going to have the votes for a third reverse stock split. It's too risky being at 1961 right now without having the opportunity to do a third reverse stock split. They want to stay on NASDAQ. I think most people would want to stay on NASDAQ at this point with everything that Mullen's doing and putting out. My concern is all this news, the Mark Basil news. We're starting to get deliveries for the vehicles, which is really good news, but is a lot of this news just to pump the stock a little bit before they do a third reverse stock split, and then we crash 50% again once they initiate that third reverse stock split. Here we go, class 3 loaded, ready to go. They got delivered to Randy Marion yesterday. I think they put the news out. There's a picture with the date. Let's look at this. You can see above me, Mullen delivers electric vehicles to Randy Marion Automotive Group for sale to customers. The all-electric Mullen 3 now available at Randy Marion Automotive Group. So that's how it works. Mullen produces the car, the vehicle, the truck, whatever you want to call it, the product. They sell it to Randy Marion. Randy Marion sells it to their people. And that's how this whole thing is going to go, right? So more revenue looks like to be collected. Where are the class 1 vans though? So hopefully we get some class 1 van deliveries. As Brad has told me, he is expecting some class 3, some class 1. But you can see the news right here as of December 4th, which was yesterday. Here's a nice picture right here at Randy Marion, photo taken on December 2nd, 2023. The picture I believe that was going around before Mullen announced the news yesterday, over the weekend and last Friday. We are in full swing delivering of class 3 vehicles to Randy Marion Automotive Group in North Carolina. Said David, CEO and Chairman of Mullen Automotive. Exciting to see a constant flow of vehicle transports picking up class 3s at our Tunica assembly plant and heading down the road for customer deliveries. And we saw these pictures, right? In Tunica, we saw a bunch of class 3, we saw a bunch of class 1. So my expectation would be that from this statement, it's exciting to see a constant flow of vehicle transports picking up class 3s at our Tunica assembly. Constant flow of picking up vehicles, that they would be doing this every single day this week, okay? So let's see what that does to the stock price. We're now down over 7%, trade at 1921. And here we go. Last piece of news I want to share and kind of talk to you about is Mullen Automotive hires a Basil law firm, PC, to review prior financings and provide strategic review of future funding initiatives. So again, they're going after the toxic lenders, the bad financing that Mullen has got themselves into that has messed this stock up, I believe, since February of 2023. Okay, a lot of dilution, a lot of warrants, a lot of just BS stuff. So that's what Mark Basil specializes in, is this exactly. I think he said on X, it's about all the toxic dilution, companies that are just diluting their stock, and he fights that and he fights for shareholders. Now, who knows? This could be news to get the stock to pump. Yesterday, we got over 21 cents. Now we're crashing right back down. So this week will tell a lot to see if we make new all-time lows under 15 cents or under 14 and a half cents. But right now, it's just doing what it's doing. Law firm engaged to assist the company in reviewing its current fundings, okay, and to develop recommendations in developing its floor plan for 2024 fundings. How are they going to get money? So that's what they're here for. So this is talking about how Mullen cares about shareholders and really marks history with what he does. So if you want to read it, go ahead, take a screenshot, read it. But they're excited. We welcome Mr. Basil to our team of highly skilled and capable lawyers. They got a lot of lawyers. They got a lot of lawsuits going on right now, both in-house and out, and we are looking forward to working with him. We continue to drive our core business value forward, okay? So let me show you more what David said in regards to this. But again, if you know anything about Mark and his history, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Do you trust him? Do you think this is a good move for Mullen in the long run? Now we're down 6.7%, trading at 1939, okay? So it looks like we are recovering a little bit, 1950. Let's see what happens. Let's go into what David has said. While the company is involved in many strategic initiatives, there is a need to balance growth with funding with an eye to develop real shareholder value. Okay, real shareholder value, got it. The company highly values our very vocal and active shareholder base. Guilty. And we remain committed to them. Our shareholder community has been a great source of support, information, and drive. Well, the funny thing is we put out all the information before Mullen does because we have to investigate, we have to research, we have to talk to outside parties to figure out what the heck is going on with this company. As we venture into the next level of business, we are committed to grow our fundamental values with our focus and shareholder value. Heard this before, trade at 1944 right now after 2 reverse stock splits. If David means this, then they will get the stock above $1 and they will take away the 3rd reverse stock split. That will show confidence in your community. Let me show you now this $60 price target that everybody's talking about. Here we go. Look, I don't want to sound bearish and everyone's situation is different, which is important. Everyone's situation is different. People that entered the stock are all at different times. But calling for $60 on Mullen after 2 reverse stock splits and a 3rd one possibly around the corner is wild to me. If you really believe $60 is possible, then do this. And this is honestly what I would do because I'm not putting any more money into the stock. See below me, wait till we are at $1, but this is very important with no 3rd reverse stock split. Then buy more. You'll still 60x your money, basically, okay? So again, I would wait for them to take away the 3rd reverse stock split. That would show me that, okay, this is going higher. But if they do a 3rd reverse stock split, then ignore this. But people calling $60 right now, trade at 19 or 20 cents, is silly to me, and I would not call this. Do your own research, guys. Hope you have a great day. Let's have a green day, and we'll see you on the next one.